Gordon College Interactive Network Application. Mobile instructional video for students. When you open the GCIAN app, you'll first encounter the onboarding. Use your GC domain email address and password to log in. Here you go, the feed page. This is where you can view what your schoolmates have posted. Click the create icon below to start composing. Write with whatever you'd like to say. You can choose whether or not to include an image. To submit, click the Post button. Great! You may now see it in the feed. You may also make changes to your post or delete it. If you think a post violates the GCIAN community guidelines, you have the option to report it. Select the appropriate category and explain why you're reporting. Then submit your report. You may also interact with posts by tapping the care icon and commenting on them. If you need to, you can edit or delete your own comment. By clicking the icon in the bottom right corner, you will be updated with top sentiments of student. Heading to the chat room. Enter the name of the chat room you want to join. It will inform you if the chat room you want to enter is invalid. However, if you want to, you can make your own chat room. Simply make a request by specifying the name of the chat room and its objective. This message will appear if you are not authorized to enter the room. However, you will be routed to the chat room after you have been authorized. Finally, you are now able to interact with the other students. You can also choose to see the other members or leave the room. Furthermore, you may see your posts and swipe to see your cared posts on this page. By clicking the camera icon, you can change your profile. You may review the terms of service in your settings, as well as the GCIAN's community guidelines. Website instructional video for students. To log in, type your credentials using the GC domain email and password. Once you are logged in, you can see your co-students' post. Click the icon at the upper left to compose. You can write and share your thoughts. Click Post to publish. You have the option to delete or edit your post. Interact with your fellow students' post, and edit it as needed. We could also delete our comment if we would like to. Let GCIAN be aware that the post violates the application's guidelines. Select category and expound your reason of reporting. You can be updated with top sentiments by browsing on Trends list. You can like your fellow students' post and see it in your profile, in which you can easily unlike it if you would want to. Here in your profile, you have an option to edit and delete your posts. Furthermore, you can also change your desired display photo. You could change your password if you needed to. Moving on, you can write the chat room you want to enter. This appears when the chat room you enter is not existing. This is where you can request your own chat room. Write your desired room name and include the objective of the said chat room. You will be waiting for the admin's approval before entering the chat room. Once approved, join and interact with your fellow students inside the chat room. You also has an option to leave the chat room. Read the terms of conditions and be aware of GCIAN's community guidelines.